Hey guys, Jacqueline here from Soul Food Collective. I wanted to share with you today a delicious egg alternative. It is one of my favorite things to eat. I literally found myself eating it for breakfast and lunch and sometimes dinner. I had to slow down on that, but I wanted to share with you my Just eggs. I love these guys. They are made from mung bean protein, okay? They scramble up like an egg. You can flavor them. They taste like an egg. And I pair it with, forgive me, my package is empty. I cooked my last one up. I'm going to show you. The Beyond Meat sausage. I am obsessed with this. This is soy-free. It is gluten-free. These babies, I got, this one was the Bra Original. They also do an Italian hot, which is absolutely incredible. I am so sad that I am out. I'm going to have to run and get some more today. But there's 16 grams of plant protein per serving. They are fairly healthy. I wouldn't go and, eat these 3 times a day every single day, but they are definitely a delicious alternative. They taste like sausage. They smell like sausage. They even grease up in the pan. You can't even see, but they grease up in the pan like sausage. When you cut into it, it has like grease coming out like sausage. It is fantastic. For those of you that don't like meat or sausage at all, you might not want to try this because it is very, very, very spot on. So what I do to get the eggs to have a little bit more breakfasty flavor is I cook the sausage in the pan first. You want to thaw it out because you keep these in the freezer. I already started cooking. I used a little bit of my avocado oil. I love the Chosen Foods brand. It is non-GMO. I really like this. And avocado oil you can use at a high temperature. So I really like cooking things like my fake sausages in this oil because it has a higher smoking point. So you put a little bit of avocado oil in your pan. I keep this on, low, medium heat. And you just want to get it good and nice and brown. So you want it to kind of look like this. Just nice and crispy. You don't want to overcook these guys, okay? Nice and crispy. And I'm just going to set it on my plate for now and show you how I cook the eggs. Keeping the oil in the pan, I'm going to turn the heat up to about medium heat, okay? I'm going to empty out a little tiny bit of this oil. So I just have about a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon of oil in there now. And it has that nice sausage flavor. I'm going to take this and just dump it right in the pan. See how it comes out? Just really liquidy like that. I mean, I could eat this entire thing. I'll eat half now and I'll eat half later. And you cook it up exactly like you would an egg. It scrambles exactly like an egg would scramble. Let me show you here. Bring you over. Okay. Scrambles up exactly like an egg would scramble. And it's going to get that nice, yummy flavor from the sausage. And turn that down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to add some pepper, just like you would your eggs. A little bit of salt. Okay. I'm going to add just a pinch of chopped red onion. Just a little tiny bit. I like red. You don't have to add any of this because it's so good without it. I personally just felt like some onion today. And I'm just going to keep scrambling it just like you would a scrambled egg. And you know when it's done, just like you would when an egg is done, the fluffiness of it, you don't want to overcook it. You don't want to undercook it and have it be too runny. So you would cook it exactly like you would your scrambled eggs. And my mouth is watering because I know how delicious this tastes. This is honestly one of my favorite meals. You can also make it into an omelet. You can add vegan cheese to it. You can add spinach to it and do an omelet. I actually have all of those things that I just now thought about adding to it right here. The Follow Your Heart shredded mozzarella. We can just add a little bit of that to it. you know, it takes a little bit away from it being super healthy, but just a little bit of cheese is okay. So we'll add a little bit of cheese. It now has the texture. This cheese melts beautifully as well. I use it for pizzas too. Follow Your Heart has excellent cheese. Okay. So just to give you an idea, it looks exactly like scrambled eggs. Come take a look. See that? It's perfect. That is the perfect consistency that we want. I'm just going to put it on my plate, and we are going to try this baby. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of cilantro on there. Give it a little extra something. Okay, and there you have it. Now I'm going to cut into this sausage and show you what the sausage looks like. Oh, it smells divine. So here's what your sausage looks like. Yum. Okay. It's so good. It's so good. Thank you, Beyond Meat, for making a spot-on, cruelty-free sausage for all of us vegans that don't want to harm little piggies. Look at this. This is so good and so hot. This egg, though, when you cook it in that sausage fat, it's so good. Perfect. So there you have it. Beyond Meat sausages, just eggs, made from plants, not chickens. Perfect breakfast, perfect lunch, perfect dinner. It's a great alternative to eggs. One thing I did want to mention is that eggs are very high in cholesterol. They have 275 milligrams of cholesterol. So anyone dealing with previously having a heart attack or at risk of cardiovascular disease, you want to steer clear of eggs. These have zero cholesterol. You don't have to worry about that. So this is a great alternative to an egg for health reasons. It helps lower cholesterol instead of affecting and raising your cholesterol like eggs do. Actually, Harvard Physicians Group did a study where they found that people that consumed an egg a day shortened their lifespan. So think about that. Try the alternative. It's just as good, if not better. And thank you for watching. If you try this and want to leave a comment, please do so. I'd love to hear what you have to say about this. Thanks, guys. Bye.